Alright, this is part 6 of the Brunswick Ultona reproducer rebuild. And as you can see, I've got the other side put back together. Of course, it's not going to focus, but on this side, we're going to do the Edison part now, and there's not going to be a lot that I'm going to show on camera here. I do want to share with you where the joints and the gaskets are going to be. Because of the way this reproducer is made with this bezel like it is, it's going to be most convenient to put the joints at about 7:30 and 4:30 there to keep them staggered and also to keep them hidden. As you can see on the other side, I have the joint there at 6 o'clock, and I didn't get it quite in the right spot. Also, you can see I didn't make as nice a clean joint in the gasket as I did on this one. And I actually want to share a little tip with you I discovered, that it's probably a good indication that my razor blade's not as sharp as it could be. But these electrician's dikes here, this is a really old pair of Kleins. As you can see, they're a little buggered up here and there, but the jaws are real nice and sharpened on the tip, and they make really nice clean cuts in the end. And that's what I used to make that cut right there. That's just super clean. So please keep that in mind. I'm rebuilding this reproducer for myself, and I'm not as picky as you might be. Specifically, since this reproducer, I don't even have a Brunswick machine. This reproducer actually lives in a cabinet, sort of on display, so on a shelf. But I'd like it to be in tip-top shape, because you never know when a Brunswick machine is going to turn up at your at a price that you can't refuse. So anyway, I want to go ahead now and install. This is going to be just like doing the lateral side. I'm going to install the lower gasket, then the diaphragm. Now this diaphragm, though, has to be oriented the correct way because of the eye there for mounting. And as you know, the bezel's going to go on like this. Okay. And that stylus bar is going to run this way, so that hole has to be orientated this way for the stylus bar. It can't be like it is right now, where it's going off at a 45-degree angle. It has to be right on. So it has, not only does the diaphragm have to be centered all the way around, not touching the edges, but it also has to be struck true 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So I'm going to do that, and I will return with the bezel installed, ready to install the stylus bar. So see you there.